Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to allow access to Google Photos on iPhone. So if you want to allow full access to your Google Photos on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to allow access to Google Photos on iPhone is go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on the Photos app. Now, once you click on Google Photos, locate and click on Photos under Allow Google Photos to have access to. Then once you click on Photos here, to allow access to Google Photos on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on Full Access. Then you should say Port Access, give Google Photo full access to your photo library. Then go ahead and click on Allow Full Access. After that, you just want to hit the back button, go back to your iPhone settings. Now go ahead and open the Google Photos app. Then once you open the Google Photos app, you see all your photos on Google Photo with full access. You see that? So that is basically how to allow full access to Google Photos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.